Meaning of exhume.
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 Exhume. The word exhume means to dig up something, usually a dead body or buried remains, from the ground or other burial place. When something is exhumed, it is typically done for legal or investigative purposes, such as to determine the cause of death or collect additional evidence. The result of exhumation can provide important information and closure for families or authorities involved in the investigation. However, it can also be a sensitive and emotional process, requiring careful handling and respect for the deceased and their loved ones.